Wowzie. Farmhouse new construction home is absolutely gorgeous inside and out. All brick ranch on a 0.89 acre lot. The 34 feet covered front porch with wrought iron railing is perfect, and there is a covered back deck. All hardwood floors west/tile in baths and laundry, formal living/office west/built-in computer area, formal dining west/board and batten walls, breakfast room, living room with beamed vaulted ceiling, built-ins flanking the gas fireplace topped off with shiplap. Living room opens to the kitchen with an enormous island, stainless appliances, shaker-style cabinetry, pantry storage and hidden microwave, and wooden hood over range. The owner's suite features beamed tray ceiling, walk-in closet, walk-in tiled shower, and standalone white tub. 2 additional bedrooms and laundry with a sink. Oversized 3-car, side entry garage is great for extra storage. All this and a great location, just 20 minutes to Farragut, and 10 minutes to Oak Ridge and Clinton.